All right, so I bought some more of these off of Amazon, and I've got to switch out a bunch of lights. So we're going to do that. Just going to open her up, take a look inside. Yeah, oh yeah, they're in there. Bunch of connectors. I think we need all this. Here's the light, and that's it right there. Bam, done. Gotta put them together now. All right, so anyway, these are pretty simple. Gotta pull that out of there because you need to put the this attachment on there. First you gotta unscrew it. And then you just gotta set her through there. See, there's a hole there. Set it right through. Get your screw on the other side. Bam, done. Gotta make sure you don't cross thread it. There we go. You got to figure out exactly where you want to have it on here. And it's just not wanting to go in there. There we go. Takes a while. Ugh. Close. Okay, that's good. Bam, done. Now I just got to strip these, get them ready to put the wire nuts around them and hook it up. Bam. Alright, so anyway, set our light here. And we got to strip these. Got my wire strippers. You want to get it to the right one, twist it, and then just pop it. And bam, there you go. Same thing here. There we go. This one here I think I want a little bit more. Now I've got those clean, and they should work. We got this locked in. We just got to put our stake in the bottom of it. So here we go. That's it. Then we just stick it in there. Tighten her down. So I'm going to replace this one right here. Pull it out, and all I got to do is really get that off of there and just hook it on. It should work. Just got to pull all this stuff off. Probably be easier just to cut it and then to redo it. So that's what I think I'm going to do. Get a hold of her here. Bam, done. So this one's done. Now, just got to pull this up, clean it, and we should be ready to go. So I'm just going to split these wires and then just clean them off and hook them to here. Anyway, clean these wires off. not want to come off of there. It's so old. There we go. There we go. Okay. So we got these two done. Bam. Now we just got to hook these on there. These two here. All right, so anyway, now we've got to get the lights and the wiring hooked together with some wire nuts, and that's what I'm doing. I'm just kind of like screwing them on. I got two of the orange ones that I'm putting on there, and we're going to tighten those babies down, and as soon as I put the second one on, you'll probably see the light click in, or you might see some light. Let's see. Yep, there it is. It came on. So they're both working. Huh, there we go. Look at that. Light just came on. And we just got to get the wire nuts on there, and then after we'll put on some electrical tape after we get these screwed down. Bam, done. Okay, now we just got to push this baby in there. Like that. I'm just going to focus them just like that. I think that'll work. And I'm going to put some electrical tape around the wire nuts and the wires. Try to keep the elements and weather off of them, and that should give us a pretty good seal there. And we're just about done. Just got to finish that off, and Bob will be your uncle. I might be overdoing it, but I just want to make sure that it's got a good seal on there. Alright, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. So that should work pretty good as a pathway light. Peace out.